How to view history in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can view and check out all the history in it. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the right bottom, you can see this small icon. Simply tap on this icon. So basically this is the library. Here, all the searches and the queries that you have done will be stored. So here, as you can see in my context, there are only two. Now in order to see it, you can simply tap on this and all the results that you have searched for will pop up here. Here you can even create different type of threads which will later pop up when you see your history. So you can automatically save it and view it whenever you want for later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.